Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you beyerdynamic DT770 770 Pro. These are studio headphones. These are over-ear, closed back, professional designed for recording and monitoring. ADO gray. Nice and good headphones. Wow. It's also available in 32 ohm and 250 ohm. Closed over the ear headphones for professional mixing at home or in the studio. That's perfect for studio recording thanks to that clear, pure and high resolution sound. And the hard-wearing double and robust workmanship made in Germany comes on top. The world-famous DT770 Pro Headphones delivers unmatched quality and sound reproduction at an incredible price. No matter where application, tracking, mixing, city color listening, even gaming is possible. The DT770s will deliver sound we can rely on every time. And sound, unique design. The construction and innovation gives the DT770S superb sound reproduction across the all frequencies. The custom-built diaphrams in our product facility on the Germany deliver consistent performance to us listener. The DT770s have provided after over 30 years of use in the best studios and sound stages around the world that they perform to the highest level every time, including components 3.5mm to 1/4 inches adapter. The connection technology is wired, because wired is standard number one. Amazing sound, 100 years made in Germany by Beyerdynamic, the studio legend, professional audio production in ADO, control, monitoring and home listening all in once. It all started with the talkie. Electrical engineer Eugen Beyer starts his own company in Berlin in 1924 to build cinema speakers. And these ADO headphones are the ideal choice for a range of studio applications. It makes a good job, of course. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. That's all.